with y'all. What's good with y'all? This is the Dad by God 1/4 of the Ride Squad. Matter of fact, we out here with Jalen. He's in the Y body. We're having a good little time, and I had him as a student. Now I'm gonna let him chase me at speed. But before we get into all that, we've been doing a whole lot of stuff, and I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I've edited 3 portions of videos, but I haven't completed any of them. I've just been busy doing hella stuff and getting things together. Matter of fact, I've gotten a few videos together because Jalen's been running around doing all kinds of stuff to get cars ready. And then we've been driving them. I mean, go figure, we get cars ready and then we drive them. But since we've been doing stuff, I just haven't been putting videos out. I haven't been committed to putting videos out. This is why I love this damn tree. It's 91 degrees and I could chill in the shade and just relax. Jalen got all the cars and Jalen was running up and down the highway, getting everything fixed, getting everything sorted from the problems that he caused and things that I've always wanted to get done. He's been saving Dada lots of time. Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. This is going to be a Jalen vlog today. So even though you're getting me with Jalen right now, this is after a whole lot of work's been done. Jalen's been transporting cars to and from my house to Jeff's little humble abode, getting stuff taken care of. And although we are picking up this RX8, Jalen's picked up the other RX8 and he dropped off literally all the other cars. So all the cars have been dropped off. We are now in the process of picking them all up. And this is a Jalen vlog of Jalen getting stuff done, saving me some time because I'll be at work.
Today we are currently taking the Verts and Pop's white car. Go ahead and get these cars finished up. Today's gonna be a long day. Got my boy Andres in front of me. He helped me. There's nobody in the passenger seat, nobody in the back seat. This is a solo mission. Never really driven with a trailer, let alone by myself with nobody in the car with me. So go ahead, focus, listen to some music while we drive, and pick this back up when it is needed.
When it come to my money, I'm a hunter like number 12, and I'm looking for the type of bread that won't go stale. Working hard, I ain't worried what the next man.
Cool. This was a very cool, unique experience, and I haven't really experienced nothing like it, at least by myself. You know what I'm saying?
Ordinary, visionary on anything that's budgetary. Dedicated daily grind is legendary. To get to my goals, I gotta do whatever's necessary. Never scary when it come to my money move. Full of blues and a whole lot of fake dudes. Big figures is what I'm about. So you can have a clout. I'm just getting mine out on the paper route. Dedicated daily grind is legendary.
I miss drifting this car. This car's so smooth.
Say my name before a magazine, they'll tell you I'm about it. Grinding hard for the chowder. It ain't
Wanting to drive, doing all this, and finally learning the ropes.
I'm a boss like Bowser, looking for it like a browser. You're out of your mind if you ain't out there on the grind. Anytime that lake dry up, I move around. Hustle Town, Texas, representing my soil. With a squad full of gritters, all solid and loyal. Now we moving as a unit.
Anyway, I've made a few changes to this car. As you see, Jeff had it, got it back, but I've had a few changes done. And matter of fact, I'll show you one of the biggest changes that I've always had on the car, but I never had it wired. I have preset this car for just about everything I've wanted to do on it. Should be this one, but this far one, yeah, I hear it now. So right here, it's pulling a ton of air. You can see it pulling the air down there, but it's pulling a lot of air. That's just for the oil cooler. Now, the thing about it is this car doesn't need it. I've got a system that stays extremely cool. It's V-mounted, it's ducted, and this is the reason for this hood. Everything is ducted to go straight up and then straight out. Plus, you know how air works. It goes over, pulls air out the system, so my car does not overheat. Neither does my oil system because I've got dual oil coolers on the car. Specifically, I put a fan on this one because how my system is. It is very sufficient, so that's always worked. But I just put it on this one just because there's certain times when I'm in the desert driving, I don't have a oil temp. So I don't know what the oil is specifically. I just got water and I don't know, it's just a precaution. I've never had to the whole 20 plus years I've been operating this car like this. I'm running ripping so much I haven't had opportunity to even spread my mother's ashes. And I went to spread my mother's ashes on the coast. She wanted to be spread out on the water in a chill location, chill area. So I went and did that. Great day to get out on the bike. I haven't been on the bike in about a month. I currently have my mother's remains on my back. I'm go way out there to the coast. We're gonna spread her ashes. Never got to ride with moms. It's always something that I kind of secretly wanted to do if she was ever up for it. Finally got some time. There's been a lot of changes in my life going on. Nothing bad, all good. I got a promotion at work, more responsibility, more things to do. And it's everything's all positive. I've just been really busy. Given though I have a day off for this 4th of July, this being Friday, basically the day before 4th of July, I'm like, hey, you know, might as well finally get the opportunity to go lay my mother to rest in an environment that she would love to be in. This will be a cool little spot, right, Mama? Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Now we finally get to the point where we go and actually get down to the nitty gritty of and having a good track day with both the RX8's. I gave that to Jalen, he decided to have that, and I gave him a few warnings. I was like, hey, this, that, this, is that. During the time that he drove the car, he did end up breaking the transmission. So hella funny. Tell him, remember his traction. Because that car is wider, the speed difference in the rotation of left wheel, right wheel freaks the car out. So it will abruptly do traction control things, and it's not really needed because the car is not going as fast as it thinks it's going. Stability control? What's wrong?
Third. I can't. It won't go to third.
Pull that thing up.
I did that on the string, and it was like look, this is third right now.
Did it pop out?
No, it's I don't know. And I was saying I haven't changed out of third. I've been in third the whole time. I haven't been doing nothing. So that's why I'm stuck back there. Because when coming up the straight, I was trying to go to third to come through, and I was in fourth. So what? Go up there or?
Now just back up to go in. During the time that he drove the car, he did end up breaking the transmission. So hella funny. He was mad, disappointed, hella mad at the situation. And I'm like, bruh, shit happens, things break. But now we have to fix it. And because the parts broke under Jalen's watch, Jalen had to get the parts ordered, wait for him to ship, and he went and picked them up. So we do have shift fork. This is for the set of first and second. This is for the set of third, fourth. Hopefully, we only broke one because they were in stock. Now, they weren't in stock at the location, but because we were able to obtain them, even though we may not have only done damage to just one, we ended up just getting both of them. I've broken first, second before. Jalen's broken, seems like third, fourth. So we've got first, second, and third, fourth just on deck, and he's got to go get it put together and fixed, and he's gonna make some more trips back and forth, but that's just kind of how the life goes. This is his process. I'm gonna let him handle it. The good thing, I've done a video replacing the portion that did break, which we assume broke in the transmission, and he now has a blueprint because I've already done it, and I've explained it to him, and I did explain it in the videos. You see, I'll put it right here. I learned how to do it, so now he's gonna learn how to do it. Because he really does like the car. Shit, hell, I like the car. I wanna go ahead and drive it and drift it and do all the things again, but you know, we gotta sort that out. Then I've also been making a couple of trailer upgrades. The homie Jay got the lithium-ion battery and everything, and a couple lights, and I've got some other batteries. I've got a new tool kit. This, believe it or not, has everything in it, more than that little black toolbox that I keep on the trailer. But it's time to start downsizing, cleaning up the look of the trailer, having some lights on it, even though we don't really do anything at night. In wintertime, when we do get to tracks, when we first unload, it is dark. And when I do get home after track events in the wintertime, it is dark. So it's good to have some lights on the trailer for loading and offloading. But we can also do things like run fans, run compressors, run other things, plugins. That's the majority of the reason why I'm putting some stuff on the trailer, so that we can have our own little element, charge phones, charge cameras, and just really have a whole day without needing a power outlet or power source. Then all I gotta do is get Starlink somewhere on the truck and we'll be set. But now we got the car loaded up and everything set up for a photo shoot that we're gonna do with Apex Wheels. My homie is part of the brand, so he's wanting to get into the drift area, the drift arena. They already run Supreme for grip and European cars and things like that. We're gonna run the Apex Wheels on here, so we got the trailer and everything set up. Jalen's ready to go for tomorrow. I'm gonna keep my black ass at work, and Jalen's gonna go handle the photo shoot and everything with Apex Wheels tomorrow. Don't know if there's gonna be anything to film, but if there is anything to film, he'll film it. But other than that, the car is all nice and crispy clean, and I rarely wash my cars. I might just spray them and wipe them off, but this actually got a full wash. We'll take the TEs off and we will put the Apex wheels on. I hope the wheels are fresh. I actually think I know what wheels are gonna be on it, but I hope the wheels are fresh. But anyway, that'll be for tomorrow, and that'll be cool. Y'all see some of that stuff. I keep forgetting. I gotta go get my new flash to pass lenses. I have these made. I have my own design made. There's my own design of Aero that we've been working on. Should be out pretty soon. FC Aero project. It's gonna be pretty fresh. But yeah, you can see these lights. I've run these lights for about 4 hours, 4.5 hours, and this battery is good. The other battery I have is even better than this one. So all those things encompassing,